I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 38 of the Crossword Collage Challenge hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. And this is a challenge where we take a crossword, write whatever we want to, and decorate and collage however we want to. So this week I'm doing encouragement, support, worth, hopes, dream, and affirmation. I got these digitals from Digital Collage Club, and there are a lot of positive thinking type things, and so I thought that's what I would do it on. So I hope everybody, and this also came from the Digital Collage Club. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Sorry, I'm getting a little bit choked up there. Get a drink of my coffee. All right, I think I'm gonna put a little lace on this one. But I hope, like I said, I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing pretty good. I can't complain. It's been nice and warm. We've had a few rainy days, but that's not a bad thing because we'll be wishing for rain on into the summer. Last few years we've gotten a good bit of rain in the spring, but I hate when it gets so, we have droughts sometimes in Mississippi and everything just dries up, and we had kind of been in some drought conditions there for a while towards the end of last summer, and I think even on into fall and such. There were some fire bans, you know, where you couldn't burn leaves or and things like that. Okay, add that there. I think that's pretty. Okay, and let's see how I'm going to lay this out. Okay, I like that. That maybe. Like that. See here. May move this up a little bit. I've already inked around everything, so that's a good thing. Okay, we've got sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. Enjoy every moment, and positive thinking never killed anyone. So that's some good things to hear. Let's see here. See if I can scoot that over a little bit. Okay. I'm pretty happy with that. So let's get started gluing. Still watching Bones. Still watching The Killing. I hadn't got to watch as much of it as I would like. Still reading my book. It's getting a little better, but I'll be glad to be done with it. Started off really good, but it kind of fizzed on me a little bit. My cat's snoring over there. Okay, let's see here. But other than that, it hadn't been a lot going on. Just trying to keep busy. Trying to get stuff done. I struggle with that all the time. Not enough hours in the day. And I get tired easy, I guess. I guess it's old age. Alright, now let's flip this over and see if we can get this down. I have behind on my video watching. My husband was off yesterday. I don't get as much done, but I enjoy my time spent with him. He took me for some ice cream, and it was good. We don't do enough of things, just him and I. But we've never minded the boys being along. Okay, let's get this down. That's not too bad. I feel like I need something down here. Let's see what I've got. I may add some washi tape. It's pretty. My paper's awfully bright. I probably should have went with something a little more subtle. But this is some I have that I figured I probably wouldn't use, so I figured it'd make a good background for the collage. This was some I got when I got a thing from Goodwill, and it had a lot of paper in it, and I've been enjoying using it. Add some more. Just a little bit around. Okay. Now, I really want something right there. But what? Let's see what I've got. May have some that's pretty. Maybe use a little bit of cheesecloth underneath. I meant to use cheesecloth underneath that, and I forgot. Okay, that's not bad. Oops, sorry. I did not like the sound of that. It's hard to believe Easter will be here before you know it. It's right at the end of this month. So it'll be an early Easter. Okay, I'm going to put that down. Just a little. My glue unstopped again. Seems like it doesn't take long for it to stop up. There we go. I had to buy some more glue sticks. I ordered those from Amazon, and art glitter glue as well. some more presentation paper that I like to use when I do my images. Let's see what else I may have that I might want to use. I'm sure I have stuff laying around. Or maybe not. Okay, now maybe if I just do my splatters, it'll help it come together, I hope. Oops, everything's falling. My desk is a mess. I've been working on my journal, so I've got stuff everywhere. I really need to clean it up because it's starting to make me very anxious. Sometimes I like when I can pull stuff off of, my desk to use. That's what I did with some of these things. Just stuff I had laying around. But I can't find anything here lately, and that makes me anxious. Frustrated. My friend, Big Mama Sandy Moore, started calling me Splatters Gazaway. I do like my splatters. Makes me happy. It's the little things in life, you know. All right. Well, I am pleased with this. I hope you like it as well. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs. She's so talented. I love her. I love her videos, and I consider her a good friend, and I appreciate her so much. So please check her out. Her information's listed in my description box down below. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CW Collage to see what everyone else has made. I need to go back and check that. I haven't checked it in a while because she said on yesterday's video that she did that she has new people that's joining in. So I need to go check it out to see their collages. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. I've gotten a lot of new subscribers lately, and I'm so appreciative. It means a world to me, and the ones that have been with me for a while, y'all mean so much to me. The encouragement is overwhelming, and I love you all. So y'all take care, and until next time, bye y'all.